Alright, here's my neighbor's LG 6000 BTU water air conditioner running. The coil is toasted because the compressor was really hot, and there's rust on the bottom too. So it has a GMCC water compressor, and it has broad ocean for motor. So I think it's running in cool mode, energy saver, or dry. Mm. Maybe it's running cool mode, and maybe it use auto to refrigerant or a Fortinet R20, or maybe R22. Mm. I guess this is R32. Anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out.